DeepSeek. 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 This isn't just an AI war, it's an economic revolution. DeepSeek AI is China's secret weapon in the race for global financial power. And if the US doesn't respond fast, we could see a massive wealth shift away from Silicon Valley and straight into China's hands.
Wait, are you telling me my American-made AI is in trouble? What about my precious stocks?
Yep, and today we're breaking down why DeepSeek AI might be the biggest threat or opportunity of the decade. Let's dive in. DeepSeek isn't just another AI, it's a disruptive force. Unlike other models, it's open source, built to rival ChatGPT and comes with serious capabilities. On-screen graphics highlighting DeepSeek's features, advanced data analysis, processes vast amounts of data for business and finance, predictive market insights, could forecast economic shifts faster than Wall Street analysts. Real-time decision-making. Businesses could make instant AI-powered financial decisions.
Wait a second. Does this mean I can finally predict crypto prices before they crash?
Not so fast. If that were possible, everyone would already be a billionaire. But DeepSeek does make AI-driven financial strategy much more powerful. How does DeepSeek compare to ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini? Let's break it down. Split screen comparison, DeepSeek versus leading US AI models. Open source advantage. While OpenAI keeps things locked, DeepSeek is available for everyone. Cost efficiency. Businesses could save millions by using DeepSeek instead of expensive API subscriptions. Government backing. Unlike US models, DeepSeek has China's full support for global expansion.
Uh-oh. This sounds like one of those world domination moments. Should I start learning Mandarin?
Relax, no need to panic yet, but it does mean AI dominance might be shifting east. If DeepSeek gains traction, we could see major disruptions in the US economy. Why? Because AI isn't just about technology. It's about control over information, markets, and global business strategy.
What about my tech stocks? Is it time to sell everything?
That depends. Smart investors will adapt and find ways to capitalize on the shift. Let's talk about where the money's going next. If you're an entrepreneur or investor, pay attention. AI is reshaping the global economy, and those who move first will win big. On-screen bullet points. Tech startups leveraging DeepSeek for automation and cost-cutting. Investors monitoring China's AI growth for early-stage funding. Corporations integrating DeepSeek for competitive market insights.
So, are we saying I should bet big on Chinese AI stocks or just buy more ramen because I'll be broke?
Not investment advice, but let's just say the tides are shifting. But let's not ignore the risks, because every opportunity comes with challenges. On-screen bullet points. Data privacy concerns, who controls your information? Market volatility. Could AI-driven trading create unpredictable swings? Regulatory battles. Will governments crack down on AI dominance?
So, is this where I should start hiding cash under my mattress? Asking for a friend?
Not necessary yet, but businesses and governments will have to adapt fast. DeepSeek isn't just another AI, it's a shift in economic power. The question is, are you ready for it?
Future millionaires, subscribe now. Everyone else, good luck.
Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the biggest money moves in business and finance. Let's build wealth together. See you in the next one.